Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Maximus Aranha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very special day because I'm going to do that one thing I wanted to do ever since I was a 9-year-old. And that is pretty awkward and funny, but let me tell you, I wanted to become a Super Saiyan like Goku. So today is the day when I'm going to do that. Well, it's not possible for us humans to transform into a Super Saiyan, but we can surely achieve hair like one. So I'm going to show you a tutorial on that and hope you enjoy this video.
Before starting the hairstyle, turn your shirt inside out to avoid any possible staining. And yes, the required hair length for this hairstyle is about 6 to 7 inches. Take a small amount of hair cream and evenly saturate it with the help of your palms. With the help of a vented brush, slick your hair behind. After that, take your mom's blow dryer if you have burned down your blow dryer just like me, and then push your hair behind with the help of a blow dryer, and remember, try to keep your hair as straight as possible. Time to bring my secret weapon in the game, that is dry shampoo, to achieve more and more dry volume. To get rid of nasty curls and achieve maximum volume, use a round brush. It's time to bring spray moves in the game to achieve more and more volume. Start blow drying again with medium heat to give that Super Saiyan definition to your hair. Now time to finish off with the matte clay. Now remember, for this hairstyle, take medium coin-sized amount of matte clay. If you take too much matte clay, it will weigh your hair down and your hairstyle won't look as good as you wanted it to be. Distribute the matte clay throughout your hair generously to give that Super Saiyan look.
And so that's how you achieve hair like a Super Saiyan. If you dug this video, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, follow me on Instagram, it's at Maximus_Aranha. You're gonna love my feed, as I said. Thanks for watching. Kamehameha.